What is the process to transfer my data and apps from one Apple ID to another?
Hello, welcome to our tutorial video. Today, we'll be addressing a common issue many Apple users face: how to transfer data and apps from one Apple ID to another. This process might seem complex, but by following these simple steps, you'll be able to successfully transfer your data without any headaches.
Why would I need to transfer my data?
Sometimes you might find yourself in a situation where you need to move your data and apps to a new Apple ID. This could be because you've started a new job, or because you want to separate your personal and professional data. Knowing how to efficiently and safely transfer your data is an essential skill for any Apple user.
What can and can't be transferred?
Before we begin, it's crucial to understand that not everything can be transferred between Apple IDs. Your purchased apps, movies, music, books, and subscriptions cannot be directly transferred. Data that can be transferred includes photos, documents, contacts, calendars, and notes.
Backing up your data.
Before you make any changes, always remember to back up your data. You can do this by using iCloud or your computer. This step ensures that even if something goes wrong, you'll have your data safely stored somewhere else.
How to transfer the transferable data.
Now that we've backed up our data, let's move on to transferring the data that can be moved. The process is relatively straightforward. 1. Sign out of your current Apple ID on all devices. 2. Sign into your new Apple ID on all devices. 3. Sync your data with the new Apple ID. This can be done by turning on syncing for contacts, calendars, notes, etc. in iCloud settings. Remember, this doesn't move your apps or purchases, but it does ensure that your essential data is available on your new account.
How to deal with non-transferable data.
As we mentioned earlier, some things like apps and purchases can't be transferred. Here's what you can do. 1. Re-download your apps. Although you can't transfer your apps, you can re-download them from the App Store using your new Apple ID. Unfortunately, any in-app purchases will not be carried over. 2. Repurchase your media and subscriptions. Similarly, you'll have to repurchase any media or subscriptions, as these can't be transferred either. 3. Family sharing. One way around this issue is to use family sharing. You can invite your new Apple ID to a family group and share purchases and subscriptions between accounts. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to transfer your data and apps from one Apple ID to another. Although the process has a few limitations, knowing how to navigate them is key to ensuring a smooth transition. Remember, always back up your data, understand what can and can't be transferred, and don't be afraid to use tools like family sharing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.